There's not much power left. Okay, so let's change this to English. English. Let's go. Check out some info. Who cares? Bring your old data for quicker setup. Bring your settings, contacts, apps, photos, phone from your previous device. I just want to turn the phone on. Okay, and there's my Wi-Fi. So let's get to my Wi-Fi. Here's the hard bit. Got to find out my password. Okay, so I put my password in, connect. Connected. Checking for updates. Sign in to Google. All right. So I've sort of forgotten my password as well. Add phone number. Why not? Face recognition. I don't know if I'm ready to test that yet. I'm just going to do fingerprints. Pin. Scan your fingerprint. Where's the sensor? On the power key. Sensor is the power key, so that's here. So I guess my right index finger. Just going to go wash my hands first because I don't want to screw it up. Back up to Google Drive. So somehow it got rid of the fingerprint thing. Send usage, diagnostic data, whatever. Possibly use some mobile data. No. Easily restore your data or switch phones. Yeah. So I guess these are all the apps you want to install. I'll get it for now. If I don't like it, I'll delete them. Essential apps. Samsung account. No, I don't have one. Skip. I just want to get to the phone first. Okay. So these are my 2 SIM cards. Smart switch, bring your data from old device. My preferred SIM card calls would be the Telstra one. Text messages, mobile data would be SIM 2. So let's switch that. All right, the phone is on. So I'm guessing the fingerprint thing didn't work. So I'm just gonna try that again. Fingerprint didn't work. So I'm gonna go into the settings for that just to make sure that it's working. So let Google Home. No. Where are the settings? Big Z. Okay, where are the settings? Settings. Swipe down from the bottom. Settings. There it is. And then go into biometrics. Fingerprint. Try it again. So make sure different parts of your finger go on the sensor the whole time. Reposition your finger each time. Fingerprint added, done. You can have 2 fingerprints. Okay, I'll add another one then. Add my thumb. Done. Okay, so if I turn it off, all right, click it. Use fingerprint. Okay, so turn it off, turn it on. Okay, so it's 2 presses. You press it, and then you gotta use your fingerprint. So it can't just be you press it and it turns on. It can. So you hold it down, it turns on. So you don't need to press it. Don't press it. Just put your finger there. It turns on. All right. So I guess I'll leave you guys there. Thanks for watching. See you next time.